Have you ever dreamt of becoming a YouTube star? Imagine captivating millions with your content, all while remaining completely anonymous. No more camera shyness, no more expensive equipment, just pure creativity, amplified by the power of AI. The future of YouTube is here, and it's all about leveraging cutting-edge technology to unlock your full potential. No longer do you need to be in front of the camera to command attention and build a massive following. The game has changed, and AI is leading the charge. This is where AI Tuber comes in, a revolutionary tool that empowers anyone to become a YouTube sensation without ever revealing their identity. Gone are the days of needing expensive cameras, fancy editing software, or even the courage to put yourself out there. AI Tuber is your shortcut to YouTube success, and it all starts with a single click. AI Tuber is not just another video editing app, it's your AI-powered gateway to YouTube stardom. This innovative platform harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to handle the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, your content. Imagine having a team of expert scriptwriters, animators, and voiceover artists at your beck and call, ready to bring your vision to life. That's precisely what AI Tuber offers, a comprehensive suite of AI-driven tools designed to make video creation a breeze. Whether you're passionate about gaming, tech reviews, or financial advice, AI Tuber equips you with the tools to create professional-grade videos that resonate with your target audience. No more struggling with complex software or spending countless hours editing. AI Tuber streamlines the entire process, freeing you to unleash your creativity like never before. AI Tuber's power lies in its remarkable features, meticulously crafted to empower creators of all levels. Imagine having a custom-designed AI avatar that embodies your brand and captivates your audience. With AI Tuber, this becomes a reality. Choose from a diverse range of avatars, customize their appearance to match your style, and watch as they bring your content to life. But that's not all. AI Tuber breaks down language barriers with its multilingual video production capabilities. Reach a global audience by having your videos automatically translated and voiced over in multiple languages. Imagine the possibilities. And let's not forget about the magic of AI-powered scripts. No more writer's block or staring at a blank screen. AI Tuber's intelligent script generator crafts compelling narratives tailored to your chosen niche, ensuring your videos are not only visually appealing, but also engaging and informative. AI Tuber in action, a simple 3-step guide to YouTube domination. You might be thinking, this sounds incredible, but is it complicated? Not at all. AI Tuber is incredibly user-friendly, designed with simplicity in mind. Creating a YouTube-worthy video is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1. Log in and choose your avatar. It's like stepping into a digital costume shop where you select the perfect persona for your channel. Want to be a charismatic tech guru or a wisecracking gamer? The choice is yours. Step 2. Give AI Tuber your commands. Simply input your script ideas, choose your preferred language, and let the AI work its magic. It's like having a team of digital assistants working tirelessly to bring your vision to life. Step 3. Hit publish and watch your channel soar. AI Tuber takes care of rendering and optimizing your video for maximum impact. Sit back, relax, and watch as your content takes the YouTube world by storm. Don't just dream it. AI Tuber at real people, real results. The proof is in the pudding, as they say. AI Tuber isn't just a theoretical concept, it's a powerful tool that's already helping countless individuals achieve their YouTube dreams. Stories abound of aspiring creators who, despite having no prior experience, have used AI Tuber to launch successful channels and amass devoted followings. Ready to become the next YouTube sensation? AI Tuber awaits. The future of YouTube stardom is here, and it's within your grasp. No more excuses, no more limitations. AI Tuber empowers you to break free from convention and unleash your full creative potential. Imagine a world where anyone, regardless of their background or technical skills, can captivate millions with their unique voice and vision. That's the world AI Tuber is building, and we invite you to be a part of it. Hit the link below to sign up for exclusive access today and embark on your journey to YouTube greatness. Don't let your dreams remain just dreams. With AI Tuber, you have the power to make them a reality. The future of content creation is here, and it's waiting for you.